हाय, दिस इज विजय राज,
दिस इज केके
दिस इज मनोज बाजपेयी
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
7 उचक्के।
Gangs of Wasseypur, you had several comic scenes,
Right.
which were like situational comic,
Right.
and it was very funny.
जी।
There were several, like your interaction with the wife and a lot of others. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये था विजय भाई, that जैसे जब हम इसका प्रोमो देखते हैं तो बहुत ही फनी है, हर तरीके की लैंग्वेज है, एंड द एंटायर थिंग इज देयर। आपका क्या मानना है कि दैट बहुत से लोगों का मानना है, जैसे कि अगर देखा जाए कि कॉमेडी जो है अगर वो है तो वो सेक्स कॉमेडी में ही जो है कॉमेडी होती है, बट बहुत से लोगों का यही मानना है कि आज के टाइम पे एटलीस्ट इंडिया में जो सेक्स कॉमेडी का जो जॉनर है बॉलीवुड में, कहीं ना कहीं इट्स नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल, दैट वो सेम चीज़ जो है वो बार बार उसको परोसा जा रहा है, एंड कहीं ना कहीं उसके अंदर ह्यूमर तो पूरे तरीके से खत्म हो चुका है, एंड इट हैज़ बिकम, जैसे आपने आइटम्स की बात करी थी, आइटम्स सिर्फ उसके अंदर होते हैं और उसमें जो कहीं ना कहीं जो एक सिर्फ जो भद्दापन है वो रह गया है, जो ह्यूमर है वो कहीं ना कहीं टोटली खत्म हो चुका है। आपका क्या मानना है इसके बारे में?
मतलब आप जो मान रहे हैं वो कतई मैं मानता हूँ, बात ये है, ये सच है।
Right.
और सच वो यूं है कि लोगों के पास है ही नहीं, बेचारों के पास वही है। वो इस फिल्म में आपको देखने मिले कि एक आदमी ने एक चीज लिखी है, यानी उसके पास है तो उसने लिखी है।
बिल्कुल।
वो बेचारे हैं, उनके पास तो उन पे दया करनी चाहिए, उनके पास है ही नहीं तो लिखें कहाँ से?
नहीं,
उनको वही समझ में आता है।
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है।
यू नो कि ये कर देते हैं तो इसमें मतलब सेक्स डाल देते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा। अरे यार,
And they are failing. These films, they are failing right now.
होना चाहिए,
I
होंगी।
just,
The-
you know,
the-
I
the
just
audience
hope
is
and
rejecting.
pray that, you know, they keep failing. See, because, you know, Sanjeev Sharma kind of people and people like Anurag and Vishal, they have been doing very good work. But, you know, Sanjeev Sharma kind of movies or Sanjeev Sharma kind of people should be there in numbers. Rather, they should be in the majority.
Absolutely.
Okay. Because this is the kind of writing which is needed today
No, absolutely.
in our cinema.
Absolutely.
Because this is the kind of writing which will take you, you know, take you towards evolution, which we haven't even started.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So everybody says that, you know, industry is going through a transition period.
No.
I said no, it has never.
Never.
No.
It's always threatened to, but never.
It is always threatened. It is always threatened. but
Okay.
It's never gone there.
Okay, KK sir, you've said something on 100 Crore Club, that it's a marketing gimmick. It has been inculcated in the audience's mind that 100 crore means something. It just means money and nothing else. It doesn't mean good cinema. It doesn't make any sense. I always say that if I find a 100 Crore Club, I'll go and play tennis there.
Yes.
Among my 80 odd films, there are 13, 14 films which are memorable. I think the percentage of my good films is 10, which is not bad. Which is a very, I think, very, very poignant statement to make, because somehow that this entire relation between box office and good cinema, I think it's something that division has to be established, and that too as clearly as possible.
क्या है ना, मुझे एक तकलीफ होती है एक रूल से,
जी
कि अगर आप बहुत बेहतरीन हो अपने काम में
जी
तो आपको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे। ये जो है ना, ये पता नहीं कहाँ का रूल है यार। आई थिंक दैट रूल एग्जिस्ट इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, दैट इफ यू मेक अ वेरी गुड फिल्म, then you're not eligible for the 100 Crore Club.
करेक्ट।
You know, so that is where my problem lies, and which is why मैंने शायद गुस्से में उस समय ये बात बोली थी और अभी भी गुस्से में हूँ ऐसा बात नहीं है। तो मेरा ये कहना क्या है कि भैया अगर आप इस फिल्म को 100 करोड़ पहुँचाओगे ना, तो जो 80 मैंने कहा ना, इसमें से तो 13-14 फिल्में हैं जो मैं मेमोरेबल समझता हूँ।
जी बिल्कुल।
80 के 80 मेमोरेबल फिल्म करूँगा मैं।
क्या बात।
You know, but the fact is that the audiences, the media people especially, have to understand that जो अच्छी फिल्में होती है ना, good cinema is not injurious to health. Good cinema is very good for health, यार.
No, absolutely, and it can be very entertaining as well.
So if you want good education for your child, if you want good clothes for your child, good nutrition for your child, why not good cinema?
Absolutely.
My whole point is that when I find that a mother very proudly says that my little girl doesn't eat food until I hear some Idex or Jhandu or something like that, it pains me.
Yeah.
It pains me deeply, because you are spoiling the next generation. And the next after that. After a point, the fourth generation will not even know what a performance is, will not even know what good cinema is. They will, because they are an impressionable age, no? So it depends on what you're trying to inculcate in them.
Absolutely.
So this whole thing, hangama about, अरे इसका controversy हो जाएगा, तो वहाँ कोई बोलता नहीं। Parents खुद मतलब समझते नहीं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, absolutely.
So जो बिकता है वो सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता है।
Absolutely.
ये कोई रूल नहीं है।
Absolutely.
So बेचने के अलग-अलग तरीके हैं. So if you have a good packaging industry, which packages collages of different kinds, and you earn a lot of money, which is why I said, doesn't mean that it's a very good film.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So for me, I think it's high time that the audiences also understand like Manoj has said a very good thing last time, that whether you want to go first buy a ticket and then see if the film is good or bad, or do you want to first know what the film is all about and then go and spend your money.
जी बिल्कुल.
You know, he's so right. I mean, he's talking about, see, most of the people have a limited budget in their life. They have to spend it on entertainment somewhere.
जी बिल्कुल.
So spend it wisely, no?
Absolutely.
I mean, what's the point? I mean, by seeing the same damn thing all over again. I mean, how many times can you put your finger in your belt and dance here, and see the same damn thing all over again? It's not. It's boring.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
and I find it ridiculous to say, when people say, "अरे यार वो फिल्म देखी, बहुत ही वाहियात फिल्म है, तो देखी क्यों भाई?" मतलब क्या कर रहे हो आप?
That's true.